5 strategies to unlock your true potential. Tune in. Good morning. Thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I'm going to share 5 strategies to unlock your true potential. When I started thinking about this, I think about my why, and my what is simplicity. I like to make things simple because I really do believe, especially as entrepreneurs, business owners, and people, we have a tendency to complicate things. It's not that hard. So I like to use the IVVM. And what does that stand for? I is internalization. So key strategies that unlock your potential. First, you have to visualize or just imagine in yourself what is your true potential. First of all, our potential is unlimitless. We can proceed and accomplish anything we want if we choose to do so and do the work to get there. The first is internalization. We have to internalize that we are worthy, that we have the tools, that we can accomplish anything we want. You need to have desire. You need to have the belief. You have to be clear on where you're going. You need to believe you can do it. You need to have the desire that burns in your belly, that you want to be something, make a difference. And affirmations. If you don't believe it now, 2 most important words in the human language, if used correctly, are I am. I'm an amazing coach doing amazing things with amazing clients who are getting amazing results. Anything that comes after I am creates who you are. So be very conscious of creating some strong I am. So once you internalize this, you visualize it. Number 1, whatever your goals or dreams are, if you see yourself being a great leader, visualize what a great leader looks like. Take photos of great leaders. Take pictures. I have General Patton, Ulysses S. Grant, George Washington, pictures of those in my office because I believe they were great leaders. Abraham Lincoln. And what other type of characteristics? Imagine yourself being a great leader just like them. And that will unlock your true potential. And also, as far as visualization, you have your dream board, you have your leaders. Make sure you're planning. Taking whatever is in here and putting it on paper and creating a plan accordingly of some of the steps you need to take to accomplish your true potential. The next, verbalize it. Talk out loud. Tell everybody. Let the world know who you are, what you're going to do, and what your potential is. If we're afraid to talk out, I've been there. When we're afraid to talk out loud and share our goals to others, that shows an insecurity within us that we don't quite believe we can do it yet. Talk out loud with affirmations and be firm about it and believe in it, and then others will also hold you accountable. And also, most importantly, you'll put it out there in the universe, and the universe will just put right in your path what you need. Now, a bonus is surround yourself with the right people. Success leaves clues. If you want to unlock your true potential, don't be the smartest person in the room. Surround yourself with people that are going to force you to step up and become more. That will help you unlock your potential. And once you internalize this of what your true potential looks like, once you've visualized it, did your dream board, you did your planning, really looked at what it looked like, you looked at other examples of that type of person you want to be, then you verbalized it out loud, surrounded yourself with the right people to pull you up and stretch you and take you outside your comfort zone, materialize it, make it real, and those are the results. So there's 5 traits to unlock your true potential. Affirm it, internalize it and affirm it, visualize it, see it out there, verbalize it, tell everybody who you're going to be, surround yourself with the right people to stretch you and take you outside your comfort zone, and materialize it and make it real. As always, I want to thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I hope this has been valuable. I want to wish you a productive, profitable week. See you next Monday. Go get them.